John and Brian out here in the Giro farm. It's the 12th of December. Cleaning out a deer stand and doing some weed scouting and also doing some teaching here. This is my Fortress screening product behind me. 12-14 feet tall at one point, and again now it's about 10 feet with some of the really tall Egyptian weed tipping down and the other tiers still standing solid. But here's my talking point. What are we really seeing? Some of you guys might say, well, potential residue in soil organic matter when it's decomposed over time. And in my brain, yes, that's true, but also there's nutrients here for the soil. This is a soil that hasn't had chemicals touching it for a long time, high amount of soil microbial activity. When I come out here, typically in February, I'm going across it with the plot master with the disc down, not working the soil, just chewing up the residue and then using the roller to roll over top. This year, I think I'm going to come out this Saturday because of the kind of weather we have. We don't need the screening anymore. We're done hunting. I'm going to take and run across it again and start chewing it up, letting it break down earlier. Because what happens is when I plant this in about the 10th, 15th of June, a lot of this material that you see here, what's in there? Potassium. What's in there? Phosphorus. What's in there? A little bit of nitrogen. And so what we got is we got stockpiled fertilizer right here. It's not being removed from the land. It's going right back down. Stop and think about it. That's why some people that I've talked in the past, 2 years ago, I only used the 4-12-12 liquid product, and then we had, really 12-12, 14-foot tall Fortress. People wondering, how did I do it? This year, similar kind of case, but I used 11-4-9 at 5 gallons per acre per year. Not using nearly the nutrients of what a lot of people are having to use on your screening product. Great standability, great height, great structure, great stalk strength. And it's because I'm reusing the plants to turn it back into nutrients to feed the next subsequent crop of screening. So we have screening here year after year after year, really healthy, low inputs. Stop and think about it. How many of you guys thought about it? Stockpile nutrients right there, but we need to find ways to break that back down, and there's ways we can do it. We can use food grade hydrogen peroxide, we can use products like residues and that, and also we can use Mother Nature. And in this area of Wisconsin, at times we can get quite a bit of weathering, snow, things like that. So we're going to use Mother Nature, we're going to use mechanical needs, we're going to use biological means because we got a healthy soil with high biology activity, which is going to help it decompose quicker to be able to utilize it quicker in the June plantings. Makes sense? Food for thought from John with Grandpa Ray Outdoors.